Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, and we are now at the 14th of January, 2021, and the time about 8:20 a.m. Central Time. Well, the stock market up as we're going to hear today about stimulus plans from President-elect Biden. We saw the unemployment claims, and I'll show you them in a minute, and they went up quite a bit. If you look at the dollar index getting a boost today at the expense of the euro, pretty flat in the Canadian dollar. British pound also somewhat flat here. Energy prices, to me, they're trading against that upper Bollinger Band, and they've been there for a while. I'd be very cautious about that. In the bonds and the note market, just looking at what they're doing, very interesting. They're holding the recent bounce. That's the way to look at it. As we look at Bitcoin, even losing an embedded reading didn't have much of an impact on this market. It's only about $2,500 away or so from its all-time high. In the grain market, we might have to do a bit of consolidation after the big spurt that we saw via tight ending crops. And the USDA in that December report often makes big adjustments going into the next year, and they certainly did it in the corn market, which saw a monstrous reduction by them. So as we take a look at the U.S. jobless claims, they went up 181,000 to 965. The market was only looking for 13,000 increase to 800,000. So you've got something in the neighborhood of 11, 12 times that. Continuing claims up 200,000 to 55,271,000. So that's been going the wrong way. The import-export prices, we're importing some inflation. We imported nearly 0.9% on the goods we took in. We were only looking for 0.7, and we're not exporting much. Our export price was up 0.4. The market expected it up 0.5. Energy, we're looking today at the natural gas storage coming in at 130 billion cubic feet withdrawal, which is about 30,000 less than you normally get at this time of the year. We're looking also at the Federal Reserve Chair Powell talking today. People are going to look carefully at that, but how could he say too much here to change the path that they're on when you see these jobless numbers going up, when you see that while the COVID vaccine rollout is taking place, it is not efficient. In fact, as a private person, not looking at government, it's a failure so far. They're not getting this out fast enough or anything else. But what I do is I try to talk to you about that. Each morning, starting 5:40 in the morning, I record a video and I cover 40 charts at a time in that. Now that's my futures video. I also do one for the ETF video, and I'm now covering 41 charts in that one. We started at 34, we're up to 41. They look like this. They'll be black. What I write about, I write like if you ever read a Reader's Digest. It's condensed, it's meant to be, it's headlines, and then I expand on those. But the real meat of what I do from there is also tied into those videos that I do. I stopped the audio commentary a while ago because the video takes care of it so much better than just a phone call. So, you keep evolving for what you're doing. So if you'd like to try this, that's something that you can give it a go with. How do you do this? Well, you can get a free trial just by going to our website, signing up on the bottom right, it says free offers. You can call my staff. They'll get you set up in 3 minutes. No credit card. We're not asking you for any of that. And if you've tried this before and you'd like to try it again and you're not a subscriber of mine, I'll let you have it for a limited time. Just call my staff. You have to call them for that one. Give them a call for that. They'll get you set up. All right? I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-ups at that time. Should be interesting today. Take care.